No, I don't see it. I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to see this though. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup video, of course, okay? And this time I'm going to be doing almost a full face of Colourpop, okay? A full face of new makeup that I haven't tried before. I do have here the Colourpop / Disney Bambi collection. I have here the Disney Life, the Colourpop Disney Life in the Woods eyeliner set. I have here the Colourpop Disney Luxe lip gloss, and then I also have here the Disney Bambi eyeshadow palette, of course, with the foundation, Colourpop's foundation. I believe that's it. And I actually have here the Colourpop BFF liquid liner, as well as the Benefit Cosmetics new mascara that they do have. This is the Magnet Extreme Lengthening Mascara. All of this I will show with you as we proceed, of course. So without further ado, let's get started. I have here the Makeup Revolution Blur and Primer. I've heard great things about this, but I just now got my hands onto it, and so I'm kind of excited to try it. As you can tell, I do have you know, pores and all of that on my face right now, so it'd be nice to like, oh, it does blur it out. So let's go ahead and try the foundation. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. Sorry, I'm so overhydrated foundation. And I have it in 190W. I also have it in 185W, but I think that the 190 would work perfectly for me. So let's get started with this. It does sound pretty runny. Oh, the foundation looks good. I am glad that I used a matte primer, or at least a blurring primer, because this hydrating foundations, they're cute at first, and then on my skin, it's a joke after. I love how this looks. I'm kind of liking the Colourpop foundation. So this one is the Disney Bambi eyeshadow palette. They have it in a Disney Thumper and a Disney Flower. And I bought the Bambi. I think the Bambi is natural. It's very cute. So I'm just going to be playing around with a few colors here and there. Okay, nothing, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too much. Young Prince. I don't know if it's going to show up on me though. Oh, I see it. No, okay. Okay, no. Let me use the Kind of Bashful, because so I'm going to use the shade Kind of Bashful. Little April Showers. So I'm going to use this one right here. So the first one I used was that one, and now I'm going to use this one. Alright, and then last thing is to add the darkest color, and that's in the color Whitetail. So that's this color. It's a lot of fallout for sure. This shade, the second one right here. I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer. This is the Hydrating Camel Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm going to try out the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in Deep. And I have another one here in Dark. So this is what the dark looks like. Oh yeah, this is definitely dark. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, this is probably what I need then. The other one was like cute. You know, like it doesn't, you know. I'm going to try to use it on this side so you guys can see the difference between my forehead. Gives me cool though. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Powder, and I have it here in shade 365 Copper. That's what I'm going to be using today as my powder to set on my face, or to set my face. Let me go ahead and set my face with, this one is the Morphe setting spray. I've been using this for a minute now, and yeah. So I'm going to be using the Colourpop Bambi Cream Gel Pencil Trio. I have it in 3 shades. It came in 3 shades. Nice. So I have one in purple. Not really sure why I did this to myself. This one is in Raindrops. I'm not sure Raindrops will show up on me at all. What am I fixed to be doing with these colors? So this one right here is Raindrop. It looks like it has shimmers. It's a purple shimmery. No, it's not working. Oh, I don't think so. No, I don't see it. I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to see this though. This is Meadow. Okay, good. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying new things. Oh, it makes my eyes look bigger. Does it? Yes, it does. Crazy. Interesting. All right. How do I look? Scary? Give me a second. Let me use my mascara. All right. So let's. I'm scared. I'm scared of myself. This one is the Benefit mascara, the new one that just popped out. So I'm quite excited about this. This one is in color Supercharged Black. Ooh, the packaging is sweet. Do y'all see this? Let me see what this actually looks like on me. I might have got this white thing on my eyes though, but let's see. It'll come together, they say. It always comes together. I should do my eyeliner first, huh? I'm going to use the Colourpop eyeliner. This one is the Colourpop liquid liner. Look at this. Okay, I'm not an eyeliner person. I don't ever win at these things, but let's try, okay? I love to try. Why not, okay? I keep messing it up the more I touch it, huh? But I try it. I love this under like eye gel liner thing. I really like this. This is my best eyeliner. This one, we'll fix it later. We're working on it. So this is the LA Colors. It's not a brown lip liner. It's called Smooth Plum Lip Liner. Didn't know that when I was buying it. I could tell you that much. But anyways, so let's go ahead and try the Bambi. It's called the Luxe Gloss. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this on. It's thick. I can't really find anything though. Let me try to see if I could show you what I'm talking about. Y'all see this? They just let me see if you can see what that looks like on here. Do you see it? Yeah, so it's there. It's just, this is really hard. Like, it's not letting me get anything out. Okay, here we go. I hate that. Okay. Yeah, so unfortunately, this right here is extremely, it's just hard. Yeah, see that? I'm about to clean that off because I hate when that happens. It's hard. Like I can't, this is not one of those that you can like do this. You can't do this because you can't like, rub your lips against each other because it's really, it's not, it's just not the, it doesn't feel the best, I should say. I will tell you the products that I loved the most. One, yes to this foundation. Two, yes to this bronzing powder. These are the things I'm trying on, right? Yes to this L'Oreal powder as well. I actually really like it, so I will keep that for sure. As far as the eyeliner is, the eyeshadow palette is concerned, it looks nice. I did use, I think I got the most neutral of them, of the colors, so that's what I got that intentionally, so I can see what I can do with the neutral colors, and I really like it. I don't think I've ever did something bright like this. Actually, I don't remember, but I really like it. I love it. It does have a lot of like kickback. Is it kickback? Yeah, the powder, it's very like, it has a lot of it. It has a lot of it. I would say that. But it's nice. It seems to be very pigmented. I like it. Last but not the least, the little gel liner thing. My favorite is what I have on my eyes right now. And I don't ever think I did it right. But hey, we're gonna roll with it because that's it. Okay, you gotta be confident in whatever it is that you do. I've never ever used the white one here before, but I'm very excited to start using it because I really like when people use it, and I love the way that it makes their eyes look like their eyes looks bigger. I did try the eyeliner. It's not the eyeliners for, I just don't know how to use eyeliner for real. That's why I never use it. But I need to start practicing, so that's why I bought it, so I can actually do something with it. So that's why I bought it, and I really like it. It's dark. It doesn't like drag on, except of course when I get right here, which is, I don't think it's the liner's fault. I think it's my hooded eyes fault. I think so, but I don't know. You guys can tell me down below. The mascara looks really nice on my eyes, on my lashes. The only thing again I would say is I have like softer bristles, and I kind of like those better, but I just love the fact that I love, like, the softer bristles, touching my own lashes and not necessarily a hard one, but it's not that hard. I would say that I maybe was over exaggerating just a little bit. Yes, that brings us to the very end of this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what your thoughts are concerning my foundation, okay, and concerning everything that I did use on my face, especially my eyes. Okay, the eyeliner, we're working on it, so don't even bother. But thank you so much again for watching, and I will try to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.